Okay, for assignment 13, which is going to be something really basic like this, the idea is to be able to modify an existing drawing and or start from scratch. So you can start from scratch, create the layers, go through the same process as we worked on for assignment 12, completely your choice. Or here's another option. You start with opening up assignment 12, and then you go up to the red A or the icon that has the little pencil there, save as, and then drawing. So you're saving the drawing and you're saving it as assignment 13 and pick save. Now make sure that you see at the top that this is assignment 13 because it's going to look like 12, right? Because it's just a copy of 12. And then I won't do it for you, but you go in and you delete some things and you create your offsets and you move things around. You make sure you double click on this title and you change this to assignment 13 and you put your name in there, which it already is. And you should be able to create it either way. There is one command that I think is one of my favorites of all of these commands is called stretch. So I'm going to show you how to stretch right now. If I wanted to stretch this whole wall right here out a specific distance, I would start the stretch command. And the thing about the stretch command is that your box, the stretch box, needs to be from right to left. So I'm going to click in space and pull my mouse across. It has to be a green box. And everything inside, completely inside the box, is going to move. That whole wall and all the doors, the door and the windows, that's all going to move. But the lines that are crossing over this box are going to stretch. So I'm going to go ahead, pull my mouse over and click, and then enter. I'm just going to click and point in space here and show you what I'm talking about. See how when I move my mouse across, that whole wall is moving, but the lines are stretching. So now I can pull my mouse left or right, wherever I want to go, and type in how far I want it to stretch. So if I wanted to pull this over and type in 5 apostrophe and enter, I just increase that length of that room by 5 inches and take a look. This dimension updates automatically because I included it in the stretch. So going back here, if I wanted to stretch this door so that it was up a little bit further, I could start the stretch command, making sure I'm picking from right to left. I'm getting the door and the walls in there. Click, enter, pick a base point, pull my mouse up to about where I want it to go and click. See how easy that is compared to moving it and, cleaning it all up. So if I wanted this window to be up here, start the stretch command, select your crossing over the window and the walls. I click, I enter, I pick a base point, and I pull this up to where I need it. Now, I could have typed in a distance. I even could have, let's say I've got a line like right here, and I want this window to be right on that line right there. If I start the stretch command, remember clicking from right to left, enter, I can pick a base point. Like I can pick, this is my base point, and this is my second point, and now I have it exactly where I wanted it to go. I could then erase this one. So the stretch command can be used to stretch randomly visually, or it can be stretched a specific distance or from one point to another. So now that you're in the drawing 13, you would then be able to continue to create it as it's posted as a 20-foot by 24-foot room with the window in each one of the walls and the door over here. I mean, you can change it slightly, but no, this is the assignment for 13. I'm not bringing furniture in. It's not required. It's just an extension of 12 to see if you can kind of do it on your own or wanting you to kind of modify what's already in place, which is what we do a lot of, right? And then submit that as assignment 13.